My name is Elon Alonso, and I am the founder and project manager of Sunbeam Career Development. We are a learning and development organization with a vision of creating support systems for youth to help them to transition from education to employment. In doing so, it is our plan to utilize mechanisms such as softwares and websites along with other tools to ensure that we meet and provide to the needs of young people. To move further in our movement, we need an angel investor. We need advice, we need mentoring, and we need seed funding that will take us to the level of providing a national solution to Guyana's problems. The problem that exists is 35.6% of youth are not being active in Guyana. They're not in education, training, and even worse, they aren't employed. Some will anecdotally say that they're lazy, they're not active, or so on. But I will prove to you that young people can become self-managers. The problem is that they lack access, offering, and alignment. Access to resources and to programming that specifically can cater for them at a price point and an offering that they can access. There are limited resources available, particularly to youth, and even when they are so, they have a limited impact. This brings the problem of alignment. There aren't many services and products that are specifically aligned to the situation, needs, and the trajectory that young people are supposed to be on to be the solution to the nation. They are expected to be the producers of now and also to be the future. They are 26% of our total population, but if they do not have the provision of their needs, then Guyana is in a state of problem. So far, to solve this issue, we have surveyed 1,140 youth in the Caribbean who stated that they felt that they weren't ready or confident to enter their careers because they didn't have the resources, the help, and the need. What we did is that we came back to Guyana and we did programs such as our career development camp that demonstrated that out of 71 applicants, 91% of them first time received training. 41% of them are impacted. Now, there is the need for sustainable solutions, and as such, we have created our Career Jumpstart package. What it has is 7 courses tailored to youth at a price offering that is unbeatable for them. More so, it is online. It is easy to access. They can get it from anywhere or at any time. This is only part of the solution. To reach to the bigger level, we need to pivot. And as such, we want to ensure that we have increased access of our Jumpstart package. We also want to be able to serve youth more by giving them 2 additional courses and to increase our impact. We must be at the touch for a young person, and that is how we will provide access. We want to develop an app. We have already started to create value. And what we have in place is an online learning and development organization that bridges the gap between education and employment through tailored courses and coaching, affordable prices, and access from anywhere and at any time for our courses. We are a for youth by youth organization. We cater to our target market specifically. To maximize the impact and the goals that we want to see in the future, we have ensured that not only are we socially sustainable, but we have economic sustainability where our programs can meet the level of economies of scale. Right now, our course offers 66.9% unit economic profitability per customer. We envision a 10% growth, catering our resources available, and we have systems to provide regulation and accountability through our website and invoice and expense tracking. But we want to go further. We need you, the investor, to invest with us. Let me tell you what we have as an offer. Our model in place is to have membership, a community on a paid platform. We plan to generate content by partnering with high-performing youth and also to generate employment and economic income from them by creating passive opportunities to receive a percentage of our sales. We will have a wide range of courses and services at various costs and roll out a mixed learning platform. We plan to even widen our services to include courses. We will do all of this by positioning ourselves as a Gen Z solution. To start this, to specifically cater to them, we will do and continue our beta testing and to roll out a mixed marketing method. Our role is to ensure that we convert rates through education from using programming to market to them and also to have them as members through sale. We will stand in the middle of the industry. Our affordable prices indexes us right between our two competitions. Moreover, we stand out because we offer a mixed learning platform. Our website and e-platform offers us no cap on our amount of enrollment that we can have, and we are accessible from anywhere to anytime. This beats our competitors who have unstructured programs, limited scope for participants, and are packaged at high prices. Your value of mentorship, advice, and funding will ensure that we would continue to have a soundly economic profitable business whereby we cater to our customers and are consistently growing. Not only this, but we will have strong accountability and regulations that will ensure that we will not only meet but exceed the needs right now of the Guyana market. Young people are in a deficit and we are there to create the solution. I am Elon Alonso, founder and program manager of a Guyanese owned and run business that is an online platform that is catering to the need and the problems of our national development. Thank you.